MAZDA b2600i pickup truck with a 5-speed manual, difficult to shift problem. And in this video we're going through the possible causes, what I found and how to fix it. Okay, let's get started. If you're first time to the channel, please subscribe, very appreciated that. And first check if you can move your shifter when vehicle is not moving. See, I can move it, that's already good sign. Check that first. Okay, and first, straight to the point, what I found is improper disengagement of the clutch. It could be pedal, could be leaks, could be master cylinder, slave cylinder, or trapped air in the system. But we'll get to that later and go through the list. And second thing is insufficient gear oil level or old oil. Also, you can have wear or play of the control lever and or shift rod. That can also contribute into that, or even more serious issues with the internals of the transmission, like a worn synchronizer rings, worn cone of the gear, poor contact of the synchronizer ring and the gear cone, excessive longitudinal play of the gears, or even worn bearings. Okay, let's go underneath and I will show you exactly what I found on my vehicle. And yeah, could be multiple things. And let's go down to the slave cylinder. Let me know if you have a difficult to shift problem on your B2600 or 2200 MAZDA pickup truck and the slave cylinder is located on a passenger side mounted to the transmission. As you can see, it's over there. Here we go. As soon as I pull the boot back and fluid came out, that's a problem. Issue, leaky slave cylinder, and it didn't leak externally, and that time first I pull it, it came out. And yeah, well, it's always good to have a camera on when you film. Okay, and let's remove the vacuum box, that will be on our way. And there's a certain sequence how to do it more easily, because it's really tight spot, not much room to film and work with the wrenches. Okay, we have to remove our bleeder valve first to get access to the hydraulic line at the front, and then we're going to remove 2 bolts. Okay, let's remove that vacuum box completely. It will give us extra room to work and film. All right, and second thing, make sure you maintain your fluid level at the master clutch cylinder. Okay, we have that, top it up because it will drip a bit. All right, here's a replacement part. I got it, it cost me $42, not that bad. And let's check what we have there. All new components, and yeah, should be good for the rest of the life of a firewood truck. Okay, here's the container. We don't want to spill any fluid on the ground. Okay, let's remove that bleeder valve, 8 mil socket to remove that valve, and then we're going to undo that hydraulic line. Okay, simple as that. Remove the bleeder, and we're using a 15 mil flare open wrench to break that line. That's enough. And let's remove 2 bolts holding the cylinder using a 12 mil socket. Okay, remove those guys and yeah, put it in a bucket. And now it's hanging down, and let's remove clutch slave cylinder completely. 2200 series Mazdas, they're slightly a different cylinder. Clutch slave cylinder has only 1 mounting bolt, but principle will be the same. Okay, and as you can see, it's all removed. Let's just clean the threads a bit on that hydraulic line fitting and start just screwing our new cylinder. As you can see, that's the way it's kind of easy. And yep, just screw that new slave cylinder to that fitting and yeah, that clutch slave cylinder came with a new bleeder valve. Let's tight the fitting, make sure it won't leak. Guys, if you have any critics, suggestions, comments, put it down under the video. Will be interesting to read. Let's put our rod inside that rubber boot, and as you can see, thinner part is going down to the slave cylinder piston. It's like that, and insert it there, and the beefy wider part is going to push our fork. Okay, let's apply a little bit of grease to the tip of the rod. It came with a new slave cylinder, and let's place that new slave cylinder pushed against the clutch fork and tight those two upper bolts. Yeah, pretty simple. And yeah, in this video it's more about showing how to replace it. I'm going to post another video how to change the fluid and purge the trapped air from the clutch system. And yeah, as you can see, I have a level, but I'm going to replace that old dirty fluid with a fresh new one. And check that video, it will be down in the description. I will put down there. And yeah, now Mazda is good to go for more work. Let's fire it up. Yeah guys, very appreciated your time watching this video. Thank you so much. And yeah, I have more interesting MAZDA b2600i videos on my channel already. This is a project truck, and lots of more videos are coming up. So yeah, subscribe to the channel, you won't miss any of them. Okay, and take care and see you soon. And yeah, have a good day. Bye bye.